Hey my friend, big welcome. Let's focus this meditation to help you release fear from your body, from your mind. Make sure you're entering into a comfortable position. You can lie down, you can sit, but please don't sit in a way that is strenuous on your body. You're welcome to close your eyes or just lower your gaze and bring your awareness inwards, observing how your breath is moving in the body. And let's start by taking a deeper breath in, filling up the whole body. And when you exhale, just visualize that you're softening your body. And through exhalation, you're releasing all tension out and down into the earth. Again, let's take a deep breath in. And then exhale with this attitude of letting go of whatever is not needed within you. And one breath, deep inhale. Exhaling and releasing tension. Now let's check in and see what's happening inside. Let's check how the body is doing. Is it tense? And if yes, so where is it tense? Let's pay attention to the upper body, face. Is there tension there? If there is, just soften it. Your jaw, your tongue. Check if there is tension and allow it to soften. Releasing tension from your shoulders, your abdomen and your back. And now, after we pay attention to our body, let's pay attention to our emotions. Who do I feel emotionally right now? Is there fear in me? And how do I know there is fear? How do I recognize the fear? Let's look at it. Let's use the power of the mind, instead of generating fear, to observing fear. Observing where is it in the body? Is it in your chest? Is it in your solar plexus? Is it in your muscles? Or is it in your skin? Ask yourself, how do I recognize the fear? How does the fear feels like? Remember that once you use the power of your mind to observe the fear instead of thinking the fear, you're already 50% job done. You're going to feel much better. So let's keep bringing our awareness into how does the fear manifest within. And let's ask ourselves, how does the fear within me affecting my breathing? Pay attention to the breath and observe if that sensation of fear is constricting the breathing, is pushing it upwards instead of allowing it to naturally flow downwards. So let's stay connected to that vibration we call fear and allow the breath to open up, to soften, and to continue its way downwards to the lower part of the body. Observing how the fear constricted your muscles, and invite the muscle to soften. Invite them to release tension. Invite them to expand. Invite your muscles to be nourished by your breathing. Invite your muscles to be nourished by the life force that flows constantly in you, around you. And now ask yourself, how does the fear interact with my nervous system? Do I feel nervous, anxious? Can I recognize that fear, that vibration all over my body? And remember, once you're clear about the sensation, use the power of your mind to be present with that. Instead of thinking fearful thought, be present with a fearful sensation. Allow yourself to breathe into your nervous system and soften it. Allow yourself to nourish your nervous system with beautiful image of light, of water flowing, of being caressed by the air. Invite your nervous system to be nourished by the life force, by the energy that flows everywhere within you and around you and in the whole creation. And now, let's shift our awareness to our energy field, to our aura. And ask ourselves, how does the fear interfere or interact with our aura? Do I feel oppressed? Do I see some darkness in my aura? And again, just stay present with whatever you perceive. Allow your awareness to gently connect with your aura, inviting to your aura light. Inviting to your aura the life force so it can be nourished by it. Inviting to your aura your breathing. And gradually give permission to your aura, to your energy field, to expand and expand and expand, as if you're becoming the most radiant soul there is, illuminating the whole creation with your beautiful light, with your radiance. And that radiance is dissolving any leftover fear and tension, and make your whole being feeling in bliss, in wellness, in peace. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful day and beautiful life.